Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Upgrade your teaching skills with Sonia Patil, our marvelous Mahila for the day, an official Jolly Phonics professional trainer.
So good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Man Mahila Ka.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, can you give me your introduction?
Yes, my name is Sonia Patil, and I am an accredited Jolly Phonics trainer. I am a co-founder of Digiphonics, which is an academy that provides language enrichment courses for children as well as teachers.
So, ma'am, can you tell me about your journey, how it is going, your successful journey?
Success, I would say, is still a bit far. It's at the horizon, and we are just working towards it. The journey, it started when the pandemic started, actually. Before that, it was very easy. Like, we were having our centers. We could work at home. Children could come over and we could reach up to the teachers. But I remember in March when everything was locked down, so I and my partner, we were like, what would we do now? Because I am a kind of a person who would not let things stop my dreams. Okay. Because if I have to do something, I have to do, I'll find out ways. So then we, started using the online medium to reach out to our own children and offer them free classes for some time, just to get a hang of it, how it is working. So that is how it started. And we started training the teachers as well online.
Okay.
And now it is, it's like, it is way better than we were doing offline. It's more creative. We have evolved as teachers and as trainers. So it's been a wonderful journey. There have been a lot of challenges, which I always call as learnings. So we have learned from them and overcome them and moved ahead. So that's how it has been.
You talk about the challenges. Can you just put a light upon that? What type of challenges you have faced in your journey?
Challenges were, first, the most important challenge was I was ready to teach. I needed children to come.
Yeah.
How am I going to let them know that, this is a medium where we can start learning? So getting to reach to the children, because at that time, many parents were not comfortable.
Yeah.
So that was a major hurdle. Then reaching out to more and more teachers to get trained. All right, so that was one thing. And we had sleepless nights. So I would like to, talk about my partner a bit. So she has also been very instrumental in, getting things into place. So we both would plan a lot, how demo sessions, what can we do to, reach out to parents and let them know that, it's not very difficult. Children can still learn, and we will ensure that they are learning.
Yeah.
So that was one challenge. The other challenge was that when we increased in numbers, like we have like 100 children, and it's only me and my partner doing it. So it was like maddening. So then getting the staff who is equally passionate, it's not just a job to be done. There has to be a lot of passion. There has to be a lot of openness to learn all the time. So that were some of the challenges. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, from whom you have taken the inspiration? Who motivates you?
I am a very self-motivated person, to be very honest. I don't need external motivations. My work motivates me a lot. And my children whom I teach, they motivate me a lot. So when I see them smiling, I see the spark in their eyes when they get a concept. I am motivated enough to do better the next time. And inspiration is the children that I teach. They inspire me all the time, to do better than whatever I am doing. So that's it. It's very simple for me.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you tell me more about your DG Phonics and all that you have going through?
Yes, Digiphonics is, we started it as an online platform only, an online academy. It will continue to be the way it is. We will be providing services to children and teachers and parents who want to learn. We are into language development for the little ones. As parent, when I became a mother, I was a very observant mother. I would just watch my child, each and everything she would do. And I would fail every time because I wouldn't understand how to teach her, how she would learn this. And that's how I did my B.Ed, so that I could understand a bit of child psychology. But working with children, it became a bit easier. So here in our courses, we focus on developing the listening and the speaking skills of children, more of the listening skills, because they are very important.
Yeah.
तो हमारे इधर इंडिया में क्या होता है कि बच्चे बोलते हैं, they speak, they'll say the rhymes, they will say whatever you ask them to, but they don't listen. And moreover, we are not too focused on reading initially. हम लोगों को तब रीडिंग की याद आती है जब फर्स्ट ग्रेड में बच्चा चला गया होता है. And the time is gone. So we had to focus on reading right from the beginning stages. And we do a lot of skill development at that stage, the foundation stage. So that is what Digiphonics is into. And then we work with elder children as well. Okay. For grammar and their creative writing skills, how to get into writing more effectively and smartly.
Okay.
And teachers, of course, we train the teachers to become edupreneurs, so that they can start earning their livelihood. They can do wonders. So we are very proud to say that we have trained a lot of teachers, not only in India, but abroad as well, who are successfully running their centers.
Nice.
And are earning good. So that is what Digiphonics works. And we are working for the underprivileged children, because we have taken a lot from society. Now it's time to give back. So we have started a venture where we are, teaching on voluntary basis. The children who are underprivileged can't pay the fees, but have the love and readiness to learn. So that is what Digiphonics is doing.
A very good initiative is done by you, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you tell me about the social change you have to be conquer in the society?
The social change, as such, what social change we are going to target is that the children should get good exposure to, language, so that they know how to speak and speak well. The other social change that we look forward is incorporating the moral values, the values in the children, because this is given by the teacher and the parents. So every session is, designed in a way where one value is also given to the child, because we definitely want very successful children, who grow up as very responsible citizens, but we also want very good human beings in making. Yeah. So the value system has to change, and that is what we are targeting.
Okay. So, ma'am, anything more you would like to share on this platform?
I would just like to say that the parents should get aware that phonic knowledge is very important to be given to the children right from the day they are born, because the ears are open, they are listening all the time. Let them listen to good things and let them learn a lot by listening. Okay, and do get in touch with us for the phonic study and the creative writing courses and all those stuff.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, any word pitch to Mahan Mahila Ka, or any message you want to give to Mahan Mahila Ka?
Mahan Mahila Ka has been very instrumental in highlighting and giving a platform to women like us who are, working towards a successful future, who are into business and are working very well. So hats off to Mahan Mahila Ka, who has taken this initiative to give us a platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.